Hi everybody, welcome again to another episode of Fish Keeping Jamaica. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so today I'll be looking at an aquarium miniature I set up a few days ago. Uh I built the aquarium. I told you everything as to how the aquarium came into existence. I shared with you the pricing and the setup and all that. I went to my friend's house and I actually did the work and I actually shared it with you. Now today I'm visiting that same friend's house and I am actually doing some maintenance work. So I am looking at setting up the box filter within the aquarium. Now box filter within the aquarium. Now the box filter is a simple filter. A lot of persons in Jamaica used to the box the in tank box filter. Persons probably overseas, Europe, America, different parts in the world, my parts of the world might be familiar more with the sponge filter, but with the box in tank box filter, that's the most common one used in Jamaica. So the first things first, I have the box filter here. It's empty, right? We did some maintenance work on it, so I'm just showing you how I go about to putting it together. Now the first thing I do, right? Now I get some stone. The stone is used as a media. You can use stone, you can use activated carbon, you can use sponge, you can use special marbles, you can use special stones, the pebbles like, and you can use sand. Yeah, you can use sand, and you can use special fiber, right? You place it inside of the box filter. Now what happened is that the weight within the box filter should be sufficient to hold the box filter firmly on the surface of the substrate, right? Now as the air goes through the smaller hole on the box filter, it goes down through a small little tube, yeah, the same small tube, to the bottom of the filter, right, where some holes are at, right? And there the air, as the air forces its way up through the larger hole, which is at the right beside the small hole at the top, right? The air carries with it the mess, that the vacuum that the air pushes upward carries with it, right? Now the mess, or should I say the dirt or the waste, right, it gets trapped into the media that you have, whether it be stone, whether it be marble, whether it be sponge, whatever. As it gets trapped, now it's held there for a long period of time until you choose to clean it, right? And the air itself actually continues upward, allowing for oxygen to actually be, you know, within the aquarium. So it's a process, right? Now, usually it depends on the size aquarium. You get the size box, right? And you get the size air pump. Now, putting it together is very simple, and maintaining it is very simple. What you do, you pull it apart, you wash off the stone, you wash off the sponge, and if you have activated carbon, after probably about 2 or 3 months, you throw away that activated carbon, you put fresh ones in it, and you're back again at square one, right? Always try as best as possible to maintain your uh your filtration system, because in a sense it is the life of your aquarium. Thank you very much for stopping by. Have a wonderful day. Peace out.